It's John Champion with you today, and alongside me, top analyst Jim Beglin.
Hi John, I'm really glad to be here. Let's hope these teams serve up a real cracker.
Now let's see how both these teams will line up. Anything of note before we get underway, Jim?
Oh listen, there's little to separate these two sides. I think one chance could make all the difference.
So we're off then. Tiote, Mikali. And he lifts it in, and the cross is cleared.
Well, what they seem to need is more telling use of the ball across the park.
No, not on this occasion.
Oh, that's a super effort, and it couldn't have been much closer. I mean, that'll be an encouragement to keep them going and try again as soon as they can.
Mikali. Nosworthy. Fletcher. Turnbull. Airbus. And it could bring a chance here. Deflected. Deflected out off the defender. Ainse. Tiote. Ainse. Cuts it out. Dembele. Senshov. Where's he going to go? Dembele. Back it goes all the way to the keeper. One class forward. Mikali. Kune. Switches play to the other side. Ainse. And across. Only failed by an inch.
Oh, that was such good defending. I thought the cross was good, but you have to commend the marking.
And crosses. And the cross repelled. And a chance! And his shot didn't find the net.
Well, you just shouldn't miss from that position. The keeper to beat right in front of the goal. That was a dreadful miss. Well, they both actually started reasonably well. You know, a number of decent attempts, but this game needs a goal.
Mikali. Tiote. He goes alone. And he'll get the shot away here. He created a great chance there. Fifteen minutes played. Mikali. Caught him there, free kick. chance for him to move forward here.
Well, it's all very tight in that area. I think they should play a longer pass.
Crosses towards the centre. Nosworthy. Mikali. Zamora. Tiote. Nicely worked. Picked it off. Molina. Heinze. Vissa. Gets possession. And through he moves. Semshov. The pass cut out. Mikali. Pune. Tiote. Cross in. And a chance! And the chance accepted with some aplomb.
Well, there's not a lot more to say about that. It was a strike out of the top drawer and it shot into the left-hand corner.
Dembele. Vissa. Midway through this first half, and play has settled into a nice pattern. He plays the ball back. Good support. And he's stolen it. Pune. Zamora. Fletcher. And plays it in. Emerson. Versic. It's played back. Emerson. What a touch on the ball. Heinze, already a goal scorer in this match. That's picked up by the goalkeeper. Kennedy. Kennedy. Picked off the ball. Heinze. Mikali. Nosworthy. Semshov. Hibbert. Vissa. Semshov. Skillfully hit. Pune. Tiote. Zamora. Emerson. Hibbert. Visser. Moving up the wing. A really impressive run through. They've got two in the middle. And he's got quite a shot on him. There it is. One apiece. He crosses it, intercepted. The referee blows his whistle to draw the first half to a close.
Well, it's not been the most exciting first half. Yes, we've had those two goals, but I think the fans will be looking for something much more eventful second half.
The sides locked level, one goal each. So the second half kicks off.
Foul. Referee with an easy decision to make.
Petkatsides. Nosworthy. Mikeli. There's the chance. Oh, unlucky.
Well, they're not playing that badly. I think the chances are there, but there's not a lot to show for their efforts.
That's good goalkeeping. Takes the corner, snuffs out the danger. Nosworthy. Molina. The keeper comes and collects it. Pumps it forward. Turnbull. Charles. Airbes. Lovely ball through, and he shoots and scores!
Well, what about that for an inspired substitution? Just on, and he's found the net.
Kirkland.
A basic skill, but it takes an awful lot of talent dribbling. And a shot!
Oh, that was such a good chance.
Vissa.
Well, they need a lot more urgency in that area.
Running from the wing.
Crosses it low along the ground.
The ball's out, goal kick.
Kirkland.
Vissa.
Cut it out nicely.
Kirkland. Mikali. On his own. A colleague offering the option on the right-hand side. Dembele. The ball given back. Fusile. Fusile. Petfatsidis. The cross cleared away. 15 minutes of the second half played. Vissa.
Wonderful through ball over the top.
Fusile.
Kirkland.
Airbes. Vissa brings it back. Airbes, who's set up one goal so far. Kennedy. Promising position from the wing here. And still he goes on.
Sends it to the middle. And the cross isn't met by a striker, but by the keeper. Safely held.
Kirkland. Makes his way through. An opportunity down the side.
A long ball forward.
Mikali. It's a nice one too. Turnbull. Coming up the side. Looking towards the penalty area now. Wins the ball. Fusile.
Blatant foul there.
Dembele. Charles. Turnbull.
And the keeper decides to come off his line for the ball.
Zamora.
Kirkland.
Fusile.
Ainse.
The ball is sent into the middle. It went over the goal line, so goal kick here.
Almost in the final quarter of an hour.
Back it goes. That's halted the danger. Fusile.
Well, that can be disheartening. disheartening for a team when you've worked your way into a promising position like that, only to see the mood break down.
You know what, they're knocking on the door, but they're running out of time. Vissa. Vissa returns the ball. Ben Watson. Vissa. Thomas Cotti. Passed back. Sloppy defending, and the danger is still there.
Unless the passing has worked with a bit more pace, I think the defence will have no problems coping.
Petfatsidis. Fusile. Kirkland. The keeper comes forward and the ball ends up in his arms. Versic. Thomas Cotti. Dembele. Ben Watson gives it back. And now a shot. It was a good ball in. Fusile. Just one goal separating the two teams with only 5 minutes to play on the clock. Thomas Cotti. And the keeper comes forward and deals with that well. Fletcher. Kune. Zamora. And that ball is dispatched to the opposite wing. Kirkland. Picked it off. Dembele. Through and still going. Oh, there's no one in the box. And he hits it in towards the middle. The cross met firmly. Kirkland.
It's all very neat football, but time is against them now, and they need to get the ball forward.
Oh, what a chance that was!
Oh, and with time running out now, that really might have been their last chance to snatch that equaliser. They needed a strong finish, and we're seeing exactly that, but can they produce that equaliser? Based on the endeavour we've seen, I think they're capable.
Now a promising attack from a wide position. And he sends it in, and no danger there from that cross. The referee blows, and it's all over. Comeback wins are often the best.
Great effort, and that's a great result, even though they conceded the first goal. They kept their spirit intact, and it paid great dividends.
And all that remains is for me to thank my co-commentator Jim Beglin as our live coverage comes to a close this evening.